If you are building long context agents on Databricks, you have probably noticed something strange. The model is huge, the context window is huge, and yet somewhere around turn 15 or 20, the answers start to drift. Today, we are going to talk about why and what to actually do about it. It looks like a model problem. Turn 1, the answer is confident and on point. Turn 12, it starts to wander. Turn 30, it contradicts itself. But this is not a model problem. This is an architecture problem. Standard RAG retrieves chunks and forgets between calls. Basic inference endpoints are stateless by design. Every turn, the full context is rebuilt from scratch, and attention is order and squared. So every turn pays the full context tax again and again. Then you hit the wall. Token decay is not a bug. It is physics. Past a certain length, attention dilutes. Important tokens get drowned by recent ones. Memory grows quadratically, and accuracy quietly degrades long before you hit the advertised context limit. Inside Databricks model serving, the bottleneck is rarely the model itself. It is the memory layer around it. KVV cache evictions between requests, cross-request memory swaps, cold start re-embedding, high tail latency the moment concurrency goes up. The fix is to re-engineer state management. 3 moves. 1. A persistent KV cache layer, so context survives across turns, not just within them. 2. Vectorized memory buffers to compress old context while keeping the signal. 3. Hierarchical retrieval over lakebase, hot context in RAM, warm in vectors, cold in the lakehouse. Done right, the narrow pipe becomes 3 parallel channels. Effective context length goes up by roughly 10 times. Tail latency drops by more than half. And every layer of memory sits inside one governed foundation with one permission model, one audit trail, one source of truth. This is the part most teams get wrong. Multi-turn agents do not fail because the model is too small. They fail because the memory around the model is missing. Fix the memory layer, and long context stops being a trade-off. It becomes the default. So if your enterprise agent is forgetting, do not chase a bigger model. Look at the layer underneath. Persistent cache, vectorized buffers, hierarchical retrieval. That is where the real unlock lives. BricksNotes. Data and AI simplified.